Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to set up our baby gym playmat. So first thing is first, we've already inserted these ports into the sockets and then we're going to place it on opposite sides of the table. Then we're going to take our mat and then place the bigger side facing away from you. You'll see that there are latches on each end which you'll connect into the sockets, just like this. Next up, we're going to connect our piano. So this comes by the feet so that the baby can push it with its feet to stimulate creativity. So you're just going to place it on opposite ends and just start twisting. Then you'll see that it starts to insert the piano. First things first, you're going to take these sockets, place it into the rod. Make sure that this socket is showing inwards, and then you connect it over here. Next up, we have our rods with the toys on the inside that will be connecting on either ends of the outer layer. So we're going to click it in and then click it in on the opposite side, just like that. So you have to use a bit of force with these ones just to make sure that they fit. But they are secure, so it will be safe for your baby to use, and then they can just play around like that. Our last step will be to place the toys on the hangers over here. So there are 5 hanging toys which you can connect to the hangers and then loop it through the edges over here, just like that. Make sure to fasten it and then just let it hang. Okay, so it's very important to hang the mirror in the middle hoop so that the baby can see itself and then have fun while stimulating creativity and increasing knowledge. Okay guys, so that is how to set up our baby gym playmat. Like, subscribe, and follow us for more.